everyone, I'm Vanila and I welcome you with warm hugs to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to get notified when I do my next couple of videos for you. This is a dress that I'm wearing by Leonard. It's a New York design, an American brand, and as you can see, it's flowing quite nicely over the body. It's comfy, it's long, it's comfy and long, breathable. It's in blue color. As you can see, it's in blue color. It hugs your body nicely and it's very comfy. It's got nice sleeves, V neckline, and this is at the back. I love this dress. It's crinkle free, so you don't need to iron it. It's very washable. No problem to wash it and to do a washing machine with it. It's a summer dress. It's, I think, navy blue, maybe navy blue color, or maybe deep blue color. Suits very well with, very nice with my jewelry. I painted my nails in purple, deep red purple. I hope it goes well with this dress. It's a summer dress. It's a little bit weighty. It's a lot of fabric in here, a lot of work, a lot of stitch work. Everything is just premium. I definitely love it. I bought it from QVC a couple of years back, this dress, and I absolutely love it. You can dance with it, you can go to parties. You can go to parties, you can dance around, you can go to Tomorrowland in the summer, and I'm made for it. In this outfit you can dance to any music. So I love this dress. I hope you like it too. Please leave comments below my video and thumbs up please when you like my videos. I hope you like them all. thank you very much for watching and subscribing. I truly appreciate everything that you do for me. So I thank you very much. I'm Vanila, and see you soon in the next couple of videos.